Hey everybody, I'm here today to make a video of myself sharpening kitchen knives with an electric knife sharpener. In this video, I'll just basically be using this sharpener to sharpen my kitchen knives. Now, I've actually already sharpened two of the knives, and hopefully you can see this on the camera, but they look just so sharp. If you take a look at just that bottom piece right there, you can see that they are just nice and shiny at the bottom. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just be sharpening pretty much the rest of the knives that I have here. So I'll just bring them onto the camera screen right here. These are the rest of the knives. Let's just go ahead and sharpen them. They need to be sharpened, so I figured that I would show you how I do it in this video using this electric knife sharpener. I've used many different types of manual knife sharpeners and electric ones, and this seems to be my current favorite at the moment. So without further ado, let's turn on the motor and let's go ahead and sharpen them. You'll hear that when I bring the knives through the number 1 setting, you can actually hear the actual part inside turning and sharpening the knife. So I'm going to bring it through both sides of the number 1 side right here. Now the other side. Okay, then I'm just going to send it through number 2, just like that. Fine tunes everything. We're going to continue. I have quite a few knives over here. Let's just go through them. So you can hear as I bring it through number 1, you can hear, this is where the majority of the sharpening is happening, and the number 2 just sort of fine tunes it and cleans it up. And when I'm done, I actually end up cleaning all of the knives and wiping them down with a paper towel like this, just to make sure that they're nice and ready to be used again. And I wash them completely with soap and water. Just like that. Now, I will tell you, I am not by any means a professional knife sharpener, and I don't do this like on a daily basis or a weekly basis or anything like that, but I have done this quite a few times, so I just wanted to share it with you in this video. I'm not saying that I'm a professional, that I'm the best. This is just how I'm doing it right now. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one. This is a different type of knife with a different angle. All right. Okay. One, then through number 2, just like that. Let's just go ahead and finish it properly. Now, I do have to say, from the number of times that I've done this, it really does make a huge difference with regards to the cutting power of the knife. Okay. Whoa, let's try that one more time. Okay, and then through number 2. Now, if you ever look at the sort of before and after when you sharpen a knife, you'll notice a huge difference in its ability to cut through meats, to cut through vegetables, fruits, and so forth. It's just able to do it much easier. Okay. Okay. Almost done here. One major thing I notice, and a good way to gauge it, is to take a look at how easily a knife cuts through a tomato. Because a knife will cut through a tomato, and if it's dull, it's going to struggle to cut through the skin. It's going to, smush the tomato down as opposed to slicing through it. But if it cuts through a tomato or even an onion nice and smoothly, that to me is a sign of a sharp knife. Okay. All right. Just like that. And the last one is actually the biggest knife in the set. And let's just go ahead and sharpen it. Whoa. I almost got it stuck there. I'm just going to bring it a little bit further back. Just like that. Just like that. And then bring it through and number 2. And that's basically it. In this video, I have just shown you my process for quickly sharpening knives. You see, I basically sharpened this entire knife set in a matter of minutes, right? In a few minutes. And it's a really quick process, and I like to do this fairly regularly. It keeps the knives nice and sharp and easy to use. Then I just wipe all of them down with a paper towel, like I said, and then I go ahead and take it one step further, and I wash all of them before I actually use them to actually cut food and stuff like that and prep meals. And that's basically it. I really hope you've enjoyed this little quick video. Like I said, I'm not a pro. I don't do this extremely often. I just wanted to make this video to show you what it looks like when I do it. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. I'd love to know your tips for sharpening knives. Did I do this the proper way, or could I have improved in one way or another? Let me know down below as a comment, because I'm always looking to improve. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.